As winter sets in, we focus on tires and batteries, but often forget the engine coolant, the silent guardian of your engine. Without the right coolant, freezing temperatures can crack your engine block and destroy hoses, leading to catastrophic, expensive damage. A quick coolant check is a simple step that can save you from a winter breakdown. Every modern car relies on coolant for precise temperature control, regardless of age or climate. Move coolant to the top of your winter prep list. It's essential for your engine's survival. By keeping your coolant in check, you're protecting your engine's longevity and ensuring your car starts, no matter how cold it gets. Engine coolant is more than just antifreeze. It's a blend of glycol, water, and additives that protect your engine all year. In winter, it prevents freezing. In summer, it stops overheating by raising the boiling point. A standard 50-50 mix protects down to 37 degrees, shielding your engine from ice and damage. Additives prevent rust, corrosion, and keep seals lubricated, ensuring smooth operation. Coolant absorbs engine heat and releases it through the radiator, maintaining optimal temperature. Corrosion inhibitors keep the system clean and efficient. In short, coolant is the lifeblood that keeps your engine running safely, whatever the season. For UK winters, a 50-50 pre-mixed antifreeze and distilled water solution is ideal. Avoid tap water. Its minerals cause scale and blockages, risking overheating and damage. Only use distilled water to keep your system clean and efficient. Never exceed a 70-30 antifreeze to water ratio. Too much antifreeze can actually reduce protection. Stick to the 50-50 blend for the best freeze and boil protection, plus corrosion resistance. This simple mix is your engine's shield against winter's worst. Choosing the right coolant is easy. Just check your owner's manual for the exact specification. Ignore color. It's not a reliable indicator. Always match the spec, not the shade. Never mix different coolant types. This can cause gelling and blockages, leading to overheating and costly repairs. If unsure, get a professional flush and refill with the correct coolant. Pre-mixed 50-50 solutions are convenient for topping up. If using concentrate, mix with distilled water before adding. Always use a clean container for mixing. Follow these steps to confidently protect your engine all winter. Check your coolant level monthly, always when the engine is cold. The fluid should sit between the min and max marks on the expansion tank. Watch for leaks. Look for colored fluid or a sweet smell under the bonnet or on the ground. Never top up with just water. It dilutes the antifreeze and weakens protection. Always use the correct 50-50 pre-mixed coolant to maintain effectiveness. Replace coolant as your manual recommends. Additives wear out over time. Regular checks and proper maintenance keep your engine safe no matter how harsh the winter.